Here's a step-by-step guide to fill your Sri Lanka ETA form. Search Sri Lanka ETA on your browser and click on the official link. Once on this page, click on Apply. Read the terms and click on I agree to proceed. Let's start your ETA process. You will have to fill a separate form for each applicant, including infants and children. Click on Apply for an individual under the Tourist ETA menu. Start entering your details as per passport. Start with your last name. Enter your first name next. Choose your title. Enter your date of birth. Re-enter your date of birth. Select your gender and your nationality. Choose the country of birth now. Start typing your passport details next. Enter your passport number. Re-enter your passport number. Select the passport issue date. Next, choose your passport expiry date. Scroll down to the Travel Information section. Select the countries you've been in the last 14 days. When you select 30 days under visa required, you'll get this alert box. Click on OK. Enter your arrival date in Sri Lanka. Select your purpose of visit. Enter your port of departure, airline and flight number. Type your address next, including your city, state, and country. Enter your hotel's address in Sri Lanka. You can find this online or on your hotel voucher. If you're staying in multiple hotels, you can enter the details of the first hotel. Enter your email address and confirm it once again. Type your phone number. Choose the relevant options under Declaration. Confirm that the details are correct. And click on Next. Verify all the details once. For Indian passport holders, the Sri Lanka ETA process is free. Click on Confirm when you're ready. Click on OK on the next two alert boxes. Upon approval, your ETA will be emailed to you within 30 to 60 minutes. That's it. Create super hit holidays with Pickyourtrail.